Hello friends, welcome to Marketing Toolpicks. On this channel we share tutorials, reviews and comparison videos on the best AI and automation tools for digital marketing and content creation. Our goal is to help you make informed decisions so you can select the most suitable AI and automation tools for your digital marketing and content creation needs. Now let's dive into today's video. In today's video, I'll show you how to create both short and full-length videos from a written script using Fliki's powerful AI features. To get started, click the link in the description below. This will take you to the Fliki homepage. Once you're there, click Start for free to begin. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. On Main Dashboard, click on the second tab labeled Script. This is where you'll start creating your video from your script. Fliki's script-to-video feature allows you to turn any written content into a complete AI-generated video in just a few simple steps. Now paste your script into the text box provided. You have two options: convert the entire script into a full-length video. Create a shorter version by checking the Summarize checkbox just below the script box. When Summarize is enabled, Fliki will ask you to set your video duration, which can range from 30 seconds to 15 minutes depending on your content needs. Before you begin, make sure your full-length script is ready. You can keep it prepared in a Word document or Notepad file for easy copy-pasting into Fliki. Once you've pasted your script and decided on the video duration, it's time to enhance your video with additional resources. You can upload images, video clips, or media assets to support your content. Fliki allows you to upload up to 55 files, with a maximum size of 5 megabytes per file. These resources help Fliki generate visuals that better align with your script and message. Next, you'll be prompted to select a template from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the aspect ratio based on your platform, 16:9. Landscape. Best for YouTube or desktop viewing 9:16. Portrait. Ideal for mobile platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok 1:1 square. Great for social media feeds. Once you're done selecting the template and ratio, click Next to continue to the customization stage. Now you'll be taken to the Styles screen. First, select the language for your video. There are over 80 languages available. Next, choose a dialect from more than 100 options to match your target audience more accurately. Then, select the tone of voice, the purpose of your video, and the audience type from given options. You can select multiple tones, purposes, and audiences for your script. These settings help the tool generate a script that's tailored to your specific goals and viewers. Once done, click Next to continue. Now you'll be taken to the review screen. Fliki will process your script and generate a voiceover script based on the script you provided earlier. It usually takes a few seconds, and the generated script will appear just below the tab. You can review and edit the voiceover script to suit your needs. If you're not satisfied with it, simply click the Regenerate button to get a new version. Once you're happy with the script, click Next to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be taken to the customization screen. Here you can choose how your video should look and sound. First, you have the option to use stock media, where Fliki will automatically select media clips from its library based on your script. You can always change or replace these clips later. Next is AI media, where Fliki generates visuals using artificial intelligence that match your script content. You can select from the drop-down menu various styles like cinematic, 3D model, etc. You also have the AI avatar option. You can either pick a pre-made male or female avatar. You can filter avatars based on gender, male or female. Next option is to choose your choice of image from My Folder, and Fliki will generate an AI avatar based on it. Or, create your own avatar by selecting a style and typing a prompt like a portrait of a confident businesswoman or a smiling teacher in a classroom. Now let's move on to voiceover customization. You can generate voiceovers in multiple languages, multiple dialects, and genders, male or female. Choose voiceover from standard voiceover, ultra voiceover, or studio voiceover, each with different levels of realism. You can preview the voices before selecting the one that fits your tone best. Finally, you can personalize your video by uploading your brand kit, including your brand name, company logo, and colors. Once everything is set, click Submit to generate your video. After clicking the Submit button, Fliki will start generating your video. This usually takes a few minutes. Once it's ready, the preview screen will appear. Click the play button to watch your generated video. If you want to replace any visuals, go to the Media tab. Here, you can browse Fliki's stock media library. Type in a keyword like morning, and you'll see related media under 4 categories: videos, images, GIFs, and stickers. Choose the most suitable option and simply click to replace the media. As mentioned earlier, you can also upload your own media or generate visuals using AI. On the right-hand side, you'll see several video editing tools. We'll cover those in detail in the next video. Finally, to download your video, click the download button. You'll be prompted to choose A. Resolution 1080p, 720p, 480p, or 360 picoamperes. Format MP4 or MOV. After selecting your preferred options, click Export to download the final video.
Start creating stunning AI videos from a script with Fliki. Simply click the link in the description below and follow the video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.